जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम once again welcome back to your own channel AR Training Provision. So let me tell you my story that how I got my first sales on TurboSquid.com. In a mood of curiosity, I decided to revisit my TurboSquid account, a platform where I had casually uploaded my Blender models. To my astonishment, amidst the area of creation, I suddenly stumbled upon something unexpected, and that is my very first sale. The rush of excitement and disbelief flooded over me as I realized that someone appreciated my work enough to purchase it. TurboSquid initially just a platform for me to showcase my hobby, and suddenly it transformed into a pathway to potential earning and recognition. I began to see the immense possibilities that lay ahead, realizing that my passion for 3D modeling could evolve into a profitable venture. Right? What struck me most was the simplicity of the process as I delved deeply into the platform, exploring its marketplace and opportunities. My enthusiasm only grew. TurboSquid became more than just a website. It became a catalyst for turning my passion into a lucrative endeavor. If you are like me, immersed in the world of 3D modeling and seeking a platform to monetize your talents, I argue to give TurboSquid a chance. You never know, like me, you might be pleasantly surprised by what you discover, as creativity truly paid off on TurboSquid.com. So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notification. Keep watching, keep supporting. More interesting, informative tutorials are uploading very soon. So stay tuned. Thanks a lot. Thanks a million. Thanks so much.